Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Today we will be unboxing the G5-Flex. Alright, so this is the latest G5-Flex from Ubiquiti for the Unifi Protect. Alright, so it's basically just a grey box. They've changed the design of the box, and let's do an unboxing and let's see what's inside. Right, so let me remove it from its packaging. So this is the G5-Flex, right, and it comes with all the various holders that we have it on the G3-Flex, okay, including the balancer and also the side wall mount. Okay, so this is the standard stand mount. Okay, this is the wall mount. All right, this is the base. All right, so you can screw in the extra screw. And the thing about this G5-Flex this time around is it's a fast Ethernet. All right, so it's a fast Ethernet PoE. Okay, it's no longer gigabit as compared to the G3-Flex. Okay, so got to take note, but similarly it's still a 2K high definition video with a viewing angle of 102 degrees. Don't forget that it has a built-in mic, an IPX4 rating for weatherproofing, and it has a night vision of up to 10 meters. All right, the lens is a 5 megapixel. Basically that's it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click like for the video. Thank you very much.